Welcome to another video by Exploropia. In this video, we bring city of Brussels, Belgium's capital, and home to the European Union headquarters. Eager to find out more fun facts about Brussels? Keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Welcome to Brussels, the capital of the Kingdom of Belgium and of Europe. Whether you want to admire Brussels' historic monuments, discover its museums, or try the local gastronomy, there is always something to see or do in the capital of Europe. Must visit while in Brussels is the Atomium. It is a spectacular landmark building in Brussels, Belgium. It is the most popular tourist attraction of the city, which serves as an arts center, a museum, and a cultural center. It is one of the tallest structures in Belgium. Reopened in 2006, the Atomium, Brussels Eiffel Tower, provides great views, inside and out. Brussels is the capital of surrealism, comic books, Art Nouveau, chocolate, and beer. Brussels is super diverse. In this melting pot, 183 nationalities live together and speak 104 languages. It is the heart of the European Union. You are less than 2 hours by train from London, Paris, Amsterdam, and Cologne. The Grand Place is the central square of the city of Brussels. All over the world it is known for its decorative and aesthetic wealth. The Grand Place is surrounded by the guild houses, the City Hall, and the Maison du Roi. The Grand Place is considered as one of the most beautiful places of the world. The Grand Place of Brussels was registered on the World Heritage List of the UNESCO in 1998. Brussels is the perfect place for you to visit. Brussels has 138 restaurants per square mile. Brussels seems to have it all. From the cheaper options to the most special fine dining experiences, healthy, local, street food, seafood, you name it. Belgians love their chocolate, but the visitors too. Fun fact: it's no wonder that Brussels International Airport is the largest chocolate selling point in the world. Brussels is a beautiful mix of modern metropolis and medieval architecture. Its people remain kind, friendly, and willing to help you explore the best of what their city has to offer. Europe's oldest shopping arcades, the Galeries Saint-Hubert, was opened in 1847 in Brussels. Galeries Royale Saint-Hubert are still one of the most visited spots in the city. The gallery includes luxurious shops, elegant cafes, and restaurants, and consists of the King's Gallery, the Queen's Gallery, and the Prince's Gallery. The people of Brussels enjoy life to the full, and you can tell by the great cafes, lively bars, and busy nightclubs. Parc du Cinquantenaire is a park that houses various museums, shops, monuments, and art galleries in one place. Hence it takes the whole day to visit the whole park. Saint Michael and Saint Gudula Cathedral is the main church of Belgium, where all the royal religious ceremonies take place. This is where Belgian royals get married. Maps of Brussels are covered in green. This is because half of the city is made up of parks, woods, and other green spaces which offer numerous options to escape vibrant city life and relax in lush oases of tranquility. Belgians do not share one common language. There are 3 official languages in Belgium. In Brussels, people mostly speak French and Flemish Dutch. In other parts of country you can also hear German, which is the 3rd language spoken in Belgium. Peeing Little Man is a fountain about 5 minutes from the Grand Place Square. The bronze statue of a naked kid boy urinating into the fountain's basin has become the city's mascot since 1619. A city that is alive both day and night. You can attend more than 23,000 cultural events every year. Brussels is the city where always something to do for everyone. We hope you like our video presentation. Don't forget to like and share our video, and most importantly make sure to subscribe our channel, and never miss out on any upcoming videos.